Hi guys, it's me. So congratulations to the winner. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to put the zines together. So it's a digital file. It comes in a PDF and it should just print right off your computer. Sometimes you'll have to make adjustments to your printer so it doesn't have a border, so it will just print out the whole full sides. My printer does not do that, which I totally found out. It's been a mess. So I've been on the phone with Canon like the whole day trying to make sure that what I uploaded actually got captured. I mean, I know that it has certain parameters or the borders get cut off, but I wanted to make sure that if I uploaded a full page that was 8 by 11, that you guys would actually be able to use. It would actually print out the way that it looks. So it's been crazy. I have like all of these prints from tests and stuff. And the thing is that Canon printers, if you get the cheap one, which mine is like $25, it's just, I just need it basically for the scanner for my small works of art and for DFs and downloadables and that kind of thing. So it should still work for that, I hope. If not, then well, I'll have to save up a little bit. But anyway, so FYI, if you're thinking about buying a Canon printer, just make sure that it has where you can adjust the borders when it prints out. Okay, just FYI. But yeah, so I scanned this up for you guys. It's saved as a PDF, so you just go there, you open it, and then you should just be able to print it off without any problem. I did use lots of colors, lots of texture. It was a really fun project, and I wanted to make something super special for the people that chose to watch my video about my word of the year and also were brave enough to share theirs too. So hopefully you like it. Sorry for talking about all that other stuff, but it's been a crazy day. So these are kind of test copies that I did, and what was happening was that it was getting cut off on the edge. So yeah, so like this whole part wasn't showing up. If that makes sense. So the speak wasn't here and all this other stuff, but it's just my printer. I do have a laser printer too that I've had forever, and it prints just fine on that, so it should be fine for you guys too. So anyway, how you put it together is like this. So we're going to have to use a black and white copy, but that's okay. So what you'll do is you'll print it out. It will come out like this, right? And all you're going to do is just fold it in half like this. Now it is going to have a border around it. Most of the time they do, but it's not that big of a deal. It just kind of even helps. So you're just going to fold it in half first. You want to try to get it as straight as you want, but I will teach you a trick for covering it up. I mean, I'm really never that careful. Never probably should be, but let's see here. And it's probably nice to use a bone folder too if you have one. But they're just supposed to be fun, so don't like freak out if you can't get it perfectly straight. And I'm going to show you a gluing technique that will make it better anyway. So we're going to do it this way, and then I'll just give it a smash like that. That looks pretty good, okay? So you're just following the guides of the line, basically, right? And then we're going to open it up, and then we fold this one to the center line, like that. Or if you wanted to, you could even just fold it in half first, like that. So just line up your edges. Like that. Okay. Alrighty. And then we take this end that hasn't been folded and we'll fold it to the middle line. Okay. That should work. I mean, I'm not a very good folder, but that's okay. I'm sure yours will be great. You just want to take your time and really fold it. And what I like to do even is fold the pieces this way too. It'll just make your life a little easier. Fold them back and forth just to make it a little bit flexible. Okay, just like that. Perfect. Okay. So then you have something that looks like this. Now, I use a straight edge for this, but you don't have to. You could absolutely use a pair of scissors. And you're just going to cut off this middle portion here. So you don't want to go all the way to the end. You just want to cut out the two middle parts. And I actually usually get like a plastic ruler, and I go right where I made the crease, and then I will just cut it. from there to there. Just like that. Okay. And then it should open for you. Just like that. Okay. Perfect. Alrighty. And this is the front page. And yeah, that's the front page. So that's just the important part to remember. So you're going to take it and you open it up like that. Okay. And then this is the back page. So that's all you need to know, right? So there's this page and this page. Just line them up, right? And then you're just going to fold it over just like that. And then you can take your phone folder and just smooth it down just like that. Great. And you have a nice little zine. So you could totally stop here. But there is going to be a little bit of overlap. I mean, that's just the way it is. Actually, I did a pretty good job on this one. But I kind of don't like these coming open and that kind of thing. So I glue mine using a fabulous Jenny Belly technique. If you've ever got one of her zines, she gives you this trick, which is really great. And it's gluing and you have pockets too. So what you'll do is you have yours compiled together. You will just flip this up and we're going to make pockets. So you'll have a pocket on this side, a pocket up here, so this opens up, and then you'll have a pocket on the side and then a pocket up here. Okay, so it's really fun. It's kind of an extra like little goodie. So just start at the back, flip it open, and you're just basically going to glue the bottom shut. That's all you do. So just take your glue stick and line it up right on the end, right? And then you can take your bone folder and you can kind of smooth it out just like that. And it's just going to make it look a little better, especially if you didn't do such a good job at the with the folding part. This is just kind of a really cool way. Then you're going to skip over the middle page and you're going to go here to the back because this will be okay, right? Because if I glue this shut, then this will be a pocket. Okay, so just go to the front cover. Right, and you're just going to glue that very bottom again. We'll add some glue there. And we're just going to smooth it out just like that. And then you have little pockets. So you have a pocket up here where you can stuff little goodies in. If you're going to send these to your friends, then you could totally do that. And I'm okay with that. Just don't try to sell it. That's all I ask. But absolutely, you can totally print these off and send them to your friends. I think it'd be very cool if you did that. And then a little top here, and it's all ready to go. So let me show you what they say. And I'll show you here. So this is one that I printed off. This is another one of my zines that I made. And this one is Be Yourself. And it has a little pocket up here. And then I am. And then Don't Let Life Ruffle Your Feathers. And there's a little pocket. And then Share Your Story. And I just love zines because you make the photocopy or you print them out on your computer. And you really get all the texture and color. It's just beautiful. Spread your wings. And then there's a one up here. But it just looks so nice. Like, it doesn't look like it's off, even though it totally is. But you can hardly tell if you use that gluing technique. Okay? So, let me give you a tour here. So, this is my prototype here. And it was a labor of love, but I was so happy to make it for you guys. So, it says, never give up. And I use washi tape and I think I use watercolors. But I did use some oil pastel too, because I love oil pastel. And some stenciling and some stamping. And then I want you to write your word of the year. So you can write that right down here. And then you rock, enough said. And then I put #yes. And then find your passion, right? And you can write down what your passions are. Hopefully I gave you enough room there. And then there's a butterfly with washi tape. And then this quote is really beautiful. It's a stamp that one of my subscribers sent me. It says, a strong woman knows she has strength enough for the journey, but a woman of strength knows that it is in the journey that she will become strong. And I just love that. I think that's such a beautiful quote. And then this has speak your truth, so you can write down little sayings of truth. And then the last page is speak your dreams. So I numbered it and you can speak them, which is fun. So it's just a fun little thing that you can look back over the year. And I love zines. They're so interactive and fun. And it's really pretty. They turn out really pretty when you print them out. Like, it's really close to, I mean, yeah, it's very close to, look, can you see that? Very close to the colors that I used to create. So it's a good scan. I just wish that I was able to print out 8 by 11 sheets of artwork at home, but what can you do? It was super cheap. Like, I shouldn't be complaining. The printer was like $10. No, it was like $25. And I probably should have just did more reading. I did read a lot, but they didn't specify that. But I just needed a scanner, and I need a cheap one. So yeah, but it looks really great. So I hope you guys enjoy these, the winners of the giveaway. If you're interested in buying them, they're $2 a piece. I have 2 other designs too, and I can send them to you. So just send me an email. My email is always in the description of the video. But for the winners, I hope you guys enjoy them and that they bring you lots and lots of joy. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.